kitchen again, guys, doing another video. This is an exciting video because as you guys see in the background, we got the Blastoise back. I don't know if you guys remember this, but we ended up pulling this probably a month ago, maybe a little bit less than that, and finally got it back from PSA. It is a miscut Blastoise from 151, the full art, not the SIR. And I decided to send it in, and we got it back. So I know what the grade is, so you guys aren't going to get my reaction when they give it to me at the store. We did a whole reveal. But for you guys, we will do a reveal. There he is, Mr. Blastoise, the big buff turtle. You guys ready? What do you guys think we got? You know what? We'll save it for the end of the video. We will reveal the grade at the end of the video. Go, you guys wait. Anyways, today we are opening the Ogerpon EX Premium Collection. This was released like a month ago, I think. Maybe a little less than a month, a couple weeks ago, maybe. So just got mine from the Pokemon Center. So super excited about that. We're gonna open this up. I was gonna do a box battle, but I couldn't find another good box to open with it. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna do a good old traditional solo box opening and see what we get. I believe this has some Surging Sparks in it. Good promo card. Love that promo card. This is how promo cards should be, guys. Not these EX cards. I don't know why they do the EX cards. There's a code card if you guys want it. It's upside down. Oh, here. I'll help you guys out. Booyah! And there's Mr. Ogerpon. The teal mask. That's such a cool card. Let's get him in his case. We have a nice, in this case, is actually really cool. They actually did a little bit more design on this one, as I saw from the other cases. So this one, yeah, look at that. They did the stripes on it. That's super cool. I like that a lot. Let's, I'm kind of unprepared, guys. Let me grab some sleeves. I left them over there on my other desk over there. Oh, excuse me. And we will get Mr. Ogerpon into his new home. All right, you guys know it's that time of season when your girlfriend's got some Hallmark boring movies on. And yeah, that time of season. Okay, let's get him in here. This is so cool. Now, if you guys use the exact fits, they work really good in these cases. If you use the penny sleeves, they're a little big. You won't quite get a full snug. So make sure you get the exact fits. It just fits really good in there. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Now we just stick it in like this. Boom, we got a new member to the backdrop. That is cool. So now we have Ogerpon, we got Charizard, Gyarados, and then we got Reverum. We threw him back there. So super cool. Oh, hold on, Blastoise. I know you want to reveal yourself, but not yet. Not yet. All right, guys, just a friendly reminder. The binder is getting stacked up. It's getting stacked. We got some good cards in here. At 1,000 subscribers, we're giving it away. All right, it's getting stacked again. Not gonna lie, kind of got a little thin there, but we're stacking it back up. Okay. There's also some Japanese cards in here as well from 151. Come on now, don't be sleeping. 1,000 subscribers, wherever this binder's at, I close it up and I ship it out. All right, easy as that. Got some sleeves. I like those sleeves, super good. And then set those over there. All right. Ooh, I see some Stellar Clown. Ooh, Paradox Rift. That's a good one. Okay, I do like this one. I get one Twilight Masquerade. That's cool. That's just so hard to pull from. We'll do that one first. We'll do Paradox Rift, and then we'll do Stellar, and then we'll do Surging Sparks last. See if we get that Pikachu. Twilight Masquerade, let's get into it. Let's get that Greninja, who's on the actual mat right now. Man, if we pull that card, whoo-wee, I'd be going back to GameStop right now to get it graded. All right, let's just go. We're going. Here we go. See what we can get, if we can get anything good. Hope you guys are having a good holiday. Nothing there. Nope, nothing there. Hope you guys are having a good holidays. It is coming up on Thanksgiving time of making this video. It's actually Sunday before Thanksgiving for me. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend as well. Obviously you guys won't see this video till after Thanksgiving, but that's okay. It's all good. Oh my goodness, this pack has been a little difficult to open. What the hell? Why is it so hard? Come on, Paradox Rips. There we go. We got it. Let me in. I was half tempted to go get the knife there. Okay. Oh, code card. I'm sorry, guys. Code card. Did I give you guys the last code card? I can't remember if I did or not. Code card right there. Also, if you guys want my bulk, I do have a bunch of bulk. It's pretty much free. Just give me an address, pay for shipping, I'll send it out to you. All right. Striked out again. Striking out. That's right. Paradox is tough too. Stellar Crown. 2 packs of Stellar Crown. Not bad at all. Let's see what do we get in Mr. Stellar Crown. Triple Tex. Oh, A-Spec. I almost went right past that A-Spec. Nice. Deluxe Bone. Dropping them bones. I believe that's the only... If you get an A-Spec, I believe that's all you get in the pack. I've never seen an A-Spec and something else in a pack before. All right, here we go. Code card. Hey, easy. Remember, family YouTube channel.
Did I say it?
I don't know if you said that F-bomb or not, but my girl over here dropping bombs, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry for you guys.
I can't remember if I said it.
Family. Oh, me too, just looking good. Evie. Man, we are striking out. Man, these videos are going to be... You guys are going to stop watching my videos because I'm not getting any pulls. Surging Sparks. Here we go. Can we get that yellow rat? That's all we need is that yellow rat. Oh, my goodness. If we get him, we're going to the bank. We're going to the bank. I don't know what a PSA 10 is going for. I have not seen the PSA prices yet on him. I've only seen the raw price. And I believe it's still up there. I believe it's $5.50 now. So somebody local to me actually just pulled one. I saw on my Facebook pages. So big shout out to them. That was awesome. Awesome. All right, code card. I don't really need anything. These boxes be slacking, man. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. It's Pokemon. Oh, that guy's actually pretty cool. Little skateboard dude. Alright. Oh my goodness. We got it. Jasmine's Gaze. No freaking way. No, not the Pikachu. But we got the second. I believe this is the second best card. Jasmine's Gaze, where she's looking back at the sandwich. Oh my goodness. That is a pull. That paid for the box right there. Nice. I am happy. I'm happy with that. Jasmine's Gaze. Guys, I'm telling you, if we were at 1,000 subscribers right now, one of y'all would have a chance to get this card. You know, but it's in the it's going in the binder. But again, that's my trade binder. So I'm telling you guys, that's awesome. We'll definitely look up the price on that one for sure. Wow, did not think I was ever gonna hold that one. All right, guys, y'all been waiting all video. Here we go. What grade did we get on Blastoise? Take your guesses.
I was right.
She was right. My original guess was a 6. Because I thought PSA, they're kind of new to grading misprints and miscuts and stuff like that. So I figured it being so far off centered, but now they have their own special category for, they basically take out the alignment out of the grade, which is pretty cool. But it got a, should we go to the next video?
Yeah, I would.
Oh, find out next video, guys. Stay tuned.